Have you ever wondered how those viral short-form clips on your feed are made without the creator spending months inside a dusty editing suite? Most of the time, they aren't laboring over fancy new shoots or spending countless hours manually chopping up footage. Instead, they take messy, long-form source material and turn it into snackable, high-impact clips in just a matter of minutes. Today, I'm going to pull back the curtain and show you exactly how I transform my long videos into scroll-stopping content using Vizard. Forget about juggling 5 different apps or wasting your afternoon on manual edits, because we are going to focus on fast, smart, and effective workflows. Before we dive in, let me be transparent. I use a variety of tools in my creative toolkit, but Vizard is the specific solution for when I need to turn one long video into a dozen ready-to-post clips. The real value is that it automatically identifies viral moments, creates the clips, handles scheduling, and keeps my content library organized. Stick around, because I'm going to share the exact strategies I use for different viral formats that you can copy right now. Our first format is the cinematic construction time-lapse, a technique that turns a long, slow process into something satisfying and hypnotic. Instead of faking a build with expensive CGI, you can repurpose long documentary footage or even behind-the-scenes recordings. The first step is simple. Upload your raw footage, whether it's drone shots, a site walkthrough, or a stationary time-lapse, directly into Vizard. Hit the Auto-Edit button, select Viral Clips, and let the AI scan for high-energy moments and clear movement. For construction content, you want to focus on clips that show clear progression, like the foundation being poured or steel frames going up. Vizard will suggest multiple candidates, and your job is to pick the ones that naturally tell the story of a project coming to life. Next, you need to tweak the pacing and continuity to make sure the clips feel like they belong to a single, smooth sequence. I recommend keeping the camera angle and color grade consistent, so the viewer doesn't get distracted by jarring transitions. You can use Vizard's styling options to stabilize shaky footage and apply a cinematic look with just a single click. Don't forget to add a soft, rhythmic sound effect, like a whoosh or percussion, to match the tempo of the time-lapse. The final step for this format is to create a seamless loop that keeps people watching your content over and over again. By exporting a forward version, reversing it, and stitching them together, you create an infinity build that is completely hypnotic. The result is a polished, cinematic clip that impresses viewers the first time and captures them the second time. Now, why choose Vizard over complex motion apps or heavy-duty CGI renderers? While those tools are great for making things from scratch, they often force you to jump between platforms and involve steep learning curves. Vizard's true superpower is extracting the gold that is already hidden inside the footage you already own. Moving on to our second format, food loop videos, which are perfect for recipes, coffee content, or any product-based story. You've definitely seen these satisfying clips where ingredients seem to explode into place and then assemble into the finished dish. To start, upload your full recipe video or product shoot into Vizard and choose the loop-friendly clip suggestions. The AI will highlight moments of pouring, close-ups of textures, and movement that make for a satisfying, repeatable loop. I like to arrange 3 core clips: a product shot, an exploded ingredient sequence, and the final plated shot. By ensuring your lighting and perspective remain consistent throughout these shots, you create a smooth, hypnotic transition. Add a crisp, synchronized audio pop when the item snaps into place, and you've got a micro video that hooks viewers instantly. Our third concept is the miniature landmark or diorama style clip, which reframes monuments or buildings as collectible tiny models. This works best with footage where your landmark is isolated, which allows the viewer's brain to easily imagine it as a miniature. Use the Vizard Clip Combinator to sequence close-up details, sweeping reveals, and subtle movement into a cinematic build. By keeping the camera angle consistent and adding subtle dolly or zoom effects, you mimic the feel of a high-end handcrafted model. You don't need a 3D rendering engine to achieve this. You just need to extract the feel of a diorama from your real-world footage. Finally, let's talk about repurposing branded content, which is essential if you are trying to turn long ads into snackable promos. Vizard automatically slices long ads into multiple versions: a hype cut, a product-focused cut, and a loop-friendly cut. I perform a quick A/B test on these, checking which one grabs the most attention in the first 2 seconds and which one works without sound. Here is the simple workflow I follow. Upload the master video, run the auto-edit tool, and pick the best highlights. Once you have your clips, apply your color grades, stabilize the motion, and add your transitions. The secret sauce is adding those small motion effects like slight parallax or subtle spins to keep the visual interest high. Don't overlook the built-in scheduler, because having the best clips in the world doesn't matter if you aren't posting consistently. With Vizard's auto schedule feature, you can set your frequency and let the AI cue your content based on peak engagement times. You can visualize an entire month of content in the calendar, move posts around, tweak captions, and publish directly from the dashboard. Stop the tedious routine of manually renaming files, uploading them one by one, and worrying about time zones. For those of you who want to get professional results quickly, here are a few practical tips to improve your output. First, keep a master folder of raw content organized by topic, so you can batch upload to Vizard and run the edits overnight. Second, always choose a thumbnail frame that has strong contrast and a clear subject to boost your click-through rate. Third, for looping content, focus on symmetry and perspective, as these make the loop feel seamless and natural. Finally, keep your audio simple. A short percussive hit or a clean ambient layer often outperforms a complex music track. If you are ready to start, try running a single long video through Vizard and export 10 different variations to see what performs best. You will be surprised at how much the small differences in your edits change the performance. And that's the whole point of this strategy. Vizard doesn't claim to be every tool in the world, but it excels at what creators actually need daily: fast, intelligent editing. If you make long-form content, stop wasting hours on the same footage and give Vizard a try to scale your output immediately. Upload a single video, let the auto-edit work its magic, and set up your posting cadence in the content calendar today. It truly is the difference between posting sporadically and running a steady, growth-focused content engine. I'm ready to show you the exact clip choices I would make for your footage, so let's dive into the project files together next.